everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to wipe your Android phone to the factory settings. So you can do this just by logging into your phone. Go to the top right, go to settings. Now every phone is a little bit different, so if you just go to search on the top and just type in reset, you can find the reset settings on your phone. So you can see under general management on my phone, I have all these different settings. Reset all settings, reset Wi-Fi, reset accessibility settings, reset network, and then here's factory data reset. So if we go do this now, I can go on down here and I have the factory data reset setting. So this is on Samsung, and the nice thing about Samsung is you do have the option to back up your phone to the Samsung cloud, and it has unlimited storage, so it's going to delete everything pretty much off your phone, all these settings, and then you're going to have to log back in. But if I go back to the setting right here on the top, on my Samsung phone, temporary cloud backup, so we can back up our entire phone to the cloud for 30 days. It has unlimited storage, and then at any point we can just come back here and restore the data. So do that before, even if you're, you want to get rid of everything, just back it up just in case. And then go to factory data reset and just delete everything off your phone right here. So just look for that as an option. If you have an SD card in, I believe it might be deleting that too, so you might want to remove that. So if I look through here, I think it said SD card. The decryption key for files on the SD card, you will not be able to encrypt files on this. Okay. So I would just take out your SD card just in case. It says you will not be able to use encrypted files on the SD card after you reset your device to factory settings. So if you have any kind of encrypted data on there, just a heads up, you won't be able to read that on your SD card. So sometimes SD cards, the data that you have is specifically encrypted to your phone. So other people can't take your SD card to a different location and view the information on it. So just a heads up, if you did that on your SD card, you won't be able to see those files. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.